Damn it, piece of shit. Hey, well, I guess you know by now they call me the bad-mouthed mechanic. I don't know much about anything, but I give it a try anyways. So here's a video on how to fix an LE code on a Kenmore Elite washing machine. Let me just tell you now, not because I wanted to, my wife made me. And if I want to eat, I better fix stuff around the house. Anyways, here we go. What I've got so far. I've taken out this screw that goes right here. Not sure what it does, but I saw a YouTube video that said do it. Nah, I'm gonna get to the next step. Well, I watched the damn video again. It didn't show me how to take this damn wheel off. Shit. So I gotta figure it out, and I'll get back to you. Fucking mother this shit out. So I found out that you can pry this thing out. It's got teeth right in here, little grooves that hold on to this pin. And you just gotta get your fingers in there. You got some little ass fingers, you can work your way in there. Just kind of go back and forth like you do with your old lady when you're arguing about what you want for breakfast. And there you go. Son of a bitch is out. Okay, next step, at least what the guy says, is take out these screws right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these screws. Well, by the way, this was a 17 using open end and using a 10 millimeter. Take off these little bastards. So me personally, I'm just checking to see if these are on right, if they're clipped on. I'm not replacing anything. I'm just making sure that they're hanging on there like my life. When you replace this, just remember it's magnetic. The wheel behind this is full of magnets, and this is steel or metal or whatever. And it pulled the shit out of me and I got scared. So just be aware of that. Also, let me mention that this job was a lot easier with the socket and a ratchet than it was with the open end. So my diagnosis was there was nothing loose, and it hurts when you hit your knuckles on the edges of metal. So I'm putting this back together, and I'm gonna go around the other side where there is another trap door or whatever you call it, and it's supposedly another thing to check, at least what that guy says on YouTube. So let's get around the other side. I forgot to mention I took out the hoses, the feed hoses that go into the back of this goddamn machine. And inside here you'll see little plugs. They're actually plastic filters. You could just get some pliers and pull them straight out. And you'll see they get full of rock and debris and whatever else you're sticking inside your clothes. So remember, check that. That's an easy, quick fix. Here's the front. That's what I was talking about. I'm going to open this and see what we got. Okay. Well, looks like we got a hose of some kind with a little plug in it. And there's some dial here. Let me make sure that ain't water gonna be coming out here and hitting my iPad, because I need my iPad, man. Okay, there definitely was water coming out. You just kind of open it a little bit at a time. Let it let it come out. Here you go. It's a little catch for your coins, BB pellets, but it wasn't that much. Checked it out. No, just 3 things, so we know that's good to go now. We can screw this back in. I'm not even going to touch this. I don't know what it does, but if that's clear, then I think we're good. Alright, I set a wash, and I'm going to start it, and let's see what happens. Is that for Wi-Fi? Okay, the load sensor is set it up for 32 minutes. And typically I've noticed that the first 10 minutes into it is when we get the LE sensor thingamajig shit. So I'm gonna wait here for 10 minutes and see what happens. Just totally off topic. Every repair goes better with a PAPS. Wow, to my goddamn surprise, I had moved it from an LE to an IE. Okay, well, I set this to rinse and spin since it stopped on the LE again. Looks like I'm going to have to switch out the sensor. So once this gets emptied out, I'll open her back up again and slap in that sensor. God damn it. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, well, it wasn't the sensor. I just forgot to turn the water back on into the machine. So I did a test wash and everything came out okay. Yeah, well, sorry about all that, but anyways, remember to turn on your water. God damn shit.